Soon as I opened this box, I seen this right here. Oh my gosh.
Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the ribs. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck with all my bros. So
hey y'all, it's your girl Harris Janae. I am back with another video. If you haven't already, please press the subscribe button so you can get notified when I do upload new videos. I know I have been gone for a while. I really haven't done a talk video, like literally talk to you guys, so I decided to do that, introducing the Curlbox for the month of, what is it, September? October? For the month of September. So yeah, if you do notice the way that I am talking, I actually have a wisdom tooth growing in, so it's actually messing with my talking, so it sounds like I'm talking with the lisp or something, so just disregard that. But anyways, I need a fan because I'm actually hot. Whew. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my September curl box. So I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right into this video. So this is the box that it came in. It's just a regular package box. So I already opened it, I already know what's in it, and they already displayed it on their Instagram and their website. So if you haven't already seen it, you're about to see it right now. Soon as I opened this box, I seen this right here. Oh my gosh. So what we got here is a longer bristles, more reach, smoother, thick hair edge brush. Sounds like a whole lot, but anyways, it looks just like this. This is the edge brush, and oh my gosh, like I never actually seen a brush that looks like this. This is how it looks, and which is pretty awesome. What we got here is the Cantu line in this Curlbox. In this Curlbox, I got a lift pick. You can't go wrong with a lift pick. So you know what? I already have my hair in a perfect afro, but I actually want to try this out on camera, which means I need to get back some because, hold on, all of my hair cannot fit in the camera, so I'm gonna have to just like bend like this. I've been dying to open this. I couldn't wait to actually do this video. The lift pick looks just like this. So what it has two of these little comb things, so I guess it makes it easier for you to actually lift your hair. So I'm gonna just do like a little demonstration. Okay. I actually like this. It's different. I never seen anything like it before. But anyways, let me leave my hair alone. So I got like this perfect afro bun. Not a bun, but like a what you call those things? A puff ball. And I love it because it's a big old puff ball. I see Curlbox, you're doing your thing, you're doing your thing. Alright, so we're gonna get down to the actual box itself. So again, we have the pink Curlbox. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna do like, I love the way Choice TV, I don't know if y'all ever seen him before, but I love the way he does his thumbnails. So like, I'ma actually bop out for you, Troy.
Oops, oh wait, I forgot the thumbnail.
By the way, if you hear any sound in the background, that is going to be my daughter because she is in the back playing. She's all by herself because her brother is actually in school and her little cousin is in school as well. So she's just literally all by herself, but I love the fact that she's not literally bothering me right now, which is an A+. So any other time she will be bothering me, so I'm just so excited. But let me not speak too soon because she might start coming up in here just because she knows that I am talking about her. So in this box, as you open it, it has this little card that you get every month in here, basically, which explains that they do pick a random winner. Basically, if you tag them with the hashtag Curlbox showing the products on Instagram. So that's what that is. This is called the fashion issue. Basically, it shows what's all going to be in this box. And when I seen this, I was just like, oh my gosh, like, they like hooked us up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I seen that they had a head wrap. Oh my gosh, like, I was just like, this is so freaking cute. It's giving me like African vibes, like a safari or like a, you know what I'm saying, like that kind of vibe. Like, I literally love this. So y'all will see me rock this. So cute. So I'm actually loving this box because I never actually received the box with actual hair accessories. So that's a plus. So they have this in a Ziploc bag, which I love the fact that they do care about us. So, my hair's starting to hurt. Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Coconut Curly Cream, which defines, moisturizes, and strengthens your strands. It looks just like this, so I'm gonna open it. Oh my god. It is thick and also creamy, so I love that. And I am not gonna waste my products, so I am gonna, like, you know what I'm saying? We don't waste products around here. So, ooh, oh my gosh, just putting it in my hair makes my hair feel soft. Okay, what you want? You got stuff out on your face. Say hey.
Hey.
Say what you doing?
What you doing?
My lovely daughter. And yeah, I spoke too soon because look, definitely she came in here. We have the Cantu Shea Butter Curl Stretcher Cream Rinse. This is actually great for blow dried or air dried styles. We had the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair style stay frizz free finisher. So this is actually supposed to, it says weightless hold for curly or straight styles, non-sticky, crunch free, no white flakes, humidity. So it seems like it's a holder, a style holder, whether you, but let me see, hold on, let me read this quick. So it's supposed to keep your hair in place without actually having that hard crunch that most of the styling stay sprays do. So I'm actually interested in how this works because I do like to use like sprays like this when I like do like I do like this little mohawk look and stuff like that. So I actually want to see how this works. So we got one more thing in here, and we have the lovely Cantu Shea Butter Edge Stay Gel. It's actually it for the September Curl Box. I actually really want to try these products out, so I will be doing a video on these. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing one soon, but it will be maybe like a week or two from now, maybe 3 weeks, I have no idea, maybe be tomorrow. It just all depends on my mood. That's basically it for now. And I'm going to be tending to my daughter. And yeah, if you have any questions for me, just hit me up in my comment box below. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Also, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram yet, please do so, because that's where I actually upload more content. I actually upload like daily. I try to do twice a day, but I do most of the time upload daily. So it's going to be _ Harris Janae _. So please follow me on that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, God bless.